Okay, 5.1, I'm going to do 19 and 20 in the same video. So once again, the things I'm looking for mostly are like asymptotes and holes. So here, I know I'm going to have a vertical asymptote at x equals -2, and that's the only one. Looks like also I'm going to have a horizontal asymptote at y equals 1. That might be helpful to us. Yeah, basically asymptotes and holes, that's what you want to look for. So this one does not have vertical asymptote at -2. This one, yes, and there's a y equals 1 horizontal. This one has the y equals 1 horizontal, but it doesn't have the vertical. D, the vertical is not at -2, so that means our only option is B. Okay, moving on to 20. Looks like I need to factor this. What multiplies to -6 but adds to -1, -3, +2? I get to use the shortcut. Happy day. X plus 2. On the bottom we have a GCF, squared minus x minus 2. So now I can factor what's inside here. What multiplies to -2 but adds to -1? That'd be -2 and +1. Four is going to stay out. X minus 2, x plus 1. And I get to use the shortcut because that x squared, the 4 is no longer attached to it because we factored it out. So looking here, I know I'm going to have vertical asymptotes at 2 and at -1. Okay. I can also look at the beginning and look at a horizontal asymptote. And because these are equally weighted, I'm going to divide leading coefficients, so it's like a 1 in there. So I'm going to go 1 over 4. Y equals 1/4. Okay, so now we can look. Part A, there's a vertical asymptote at 2, but not at -1. Here, definitely not. This one doesn't hit a 2 either, so nope, which means it has to be D, which makes sense because there's one at 2, at -1, and the horizontal.